Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Snap Camera Fix No Available Camera Input Error, Google Meet, Zoom Meetings, Windows. Click Settings. Turn off Show Snapcode Overlay. Turn on camera. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Video. Select Snap Camera. Click Close. Right-click Snap Camera, click Quit. Open Snap Camera. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.